Guys, SoulPro here, and I am here with my first Minecraft episode. In December I will be doing some more, but this is just a little video to show what I've done. So my very first video is I have made Nuketown in Minecraft, so I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. Alright, so yeah, this is a bird's eye view from it. So yeah, right there is the bus. There are two buildings. Over there is a shed. A little bit of cover over there. Same there with the army truck. So yeah, bus in the truck. And just behind there is another little shelter thing. And here, that's the bird's eye view of it. And next we have the house, which is pretty nice. Let's go to the front first. So yeah, hope I copied it well. You can, just like in the game, you can go up here, go there, and then we go inside and snipe from the other building. You can do the same in the other building. And we have some beds, some pictures, some lamps. Go downstairs, we have like a little table over there, very nice. More pictures, and some furnaces and chests, some of that. The table, it's basically the same in the other house. And this is the garage which you can go through. Go through here. And yeah. Oh, and these are the bits where you can kind of hide from your enemies, like maybe you could crouch like this. So you can see the enemy, but they can't see you, so that's pretty cool. Could be like my skin. So yeah, that's the cover. Cow. I like beef, come here beef. Next we have the bus, which is a popular part in Nuketown. As you can see, here are the wheels, the headlights, some more wheels, a few windows, the back window, very nicely done, I hope you like it. You can actually go inside the bus, and here are some seats for your passengers. Press down ramp, all the way down. There's the bus driver's seat, and yeah. And the next vehicle we have the little truck that you can go through. So this is a bit where you hang out, kind of. You look through, and you can just walk through like that. So yeah, and you can use these bits as cover. And that's where the driver sits. And over here we have the army truck. I wish I had some camo, but oh well. There's the driver's seat. You can't go in this, it's just like a little model, bit of cover. And yeah, that's the vehicles. So yeah guys, that was my custom made Nuketown in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Oh, and subscribe, please subscribe. I need more subscribers. Hopefully my channel will get a bit better. Oh, and as well, this is the Xbox version of Minecraft, but I'll open my new series in December on the computer version. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. On the 31st of December I'll release my Minecraft series. So yeah, I just hope you enjoy this. Oh, and if you want me to build anything else for December, please comment it and I might do it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later.